Welcome everyone. So today we will do the revision of software and its type. That is your chapter 1. This chapter is going to come in your unit 1. The set of instructions are called program. Software is a collection of program that tells the computer to perform operation like input, processing and output. There are the various set of instruction which we give to we will in which we write that makes a single program, and that as a set of different programs when collectively embedded in a single program that makes a software. So by the help of software we can perform different operations like input, processing and output. Software basically is of two types: system software and application software. System software. System software is a collection of programs that controls the overall operation and internal working of the computer system. System software is of two main types, that is operating system and utility program. System software controls the system and the overall operation and the internal working of our computer. System software is of two type: operating system and utility program. First one is operating system. An operating system controls the overall activities of a computer. It acts as a link between the user and the hardware and enables them to work together. Some popular operating systems are Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Unix and Linux. Operating system is the software which controls the overall of your computer system. It controls all the hardware and it acts as an interface between the user and the computer. It provides the GUI, graphic user interface, to work upon. Some of the popular operating system are Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Unix and Linux. All these are the example of operating system, and Windows 10 is the latest operating system. There are the various function of operating system. First is device management, input output. It controls the working of input and output devices. That means the hardware. It controls all the input and the output devices. It controls all the hardware. Memory management, it assigns the memory to various programs whenever required. It also frees the memory when it is not in use. It gives the memory to the software which we work upon, and when we don't work upon that particular software, it frees the memory. Run software, it runs the application software like Paint, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, Adobe Flash, etc. All the application software is run by the operating system. Processor management, it manages the working of the processor by allocating various jobs to it. So whatever the software is running, it gives the time, or it provides the processor for that particular software. So difference when at a single time when the different software works upon, so it is the function of operating system to allocate the processor to that particular software. File management, it keeps the track of the information regarding creation, deletion, transfer, copy and storage of files in an organized way. All the data in an organized way is managed by the operating system. When we create a folder or we copy paste different data in our computer, that all the deletion part, creation of the file, all these is being done by the operating system. Security, it provides the security by means of password to prevent the misuse of a computer. So when it also provides the, in control panel it also provide the security where we can create a password for our computer. We can create the password by which means we can save our computer from the others, so there will be no other user can access it. Only the person who knows that password can open the system by putting a password. Like we put the password in our mobile, we can also put the password in computer. In mobile also, it is a function of operating system. That is, operating system is Android, and in computer, if you are running the Windows software operating system, there is the function of that particular operating system. The second system software is utility software. Utilities are the program that assist in the smooth functioning of a computer. Some of the utility software: antivirus, utility, backup, compression. So utility helps in the smooth functioning of a computer. That means it enhances the ability of operating system. And the software which enhance the ability of an operating system are, for example, antivirus, which prevents our system from the virus; backup, which helps us to retrieve our information, which take the backup of our data; compression, by the help of compression software we can compress our files, so the particular file will take the less storage. When the file will take the less storage, our computer works more accurately and more faster. So utility software are those software which will enhance the ability of operating system. Now, application software. These are the set of programs which are used to perform a specific type of job, like making calculation, arranging data in an organized way. So every software which performs a specific job is an application software. Jobs like making calculation, arranging data, these are the different software which can perform the different things. Like a calculator can perform the calculation, and a DBMS software can used for the arranging data. Application packages software. Some of the application packages softwares are word processing software. In word processing software, there will be a different word processing packaging software, that in which we can use the uh, word. That means we can read and we can write the things. Electronic spreadsheet, like example MS Excel, the spreadsheet is in the form of rows and columns in which we can easily calculate the data. Database management system, which the software, the database management system software examples are Oracle, in which we can easily make the data, or we can access the data in a easy way, or we can create the relationship between the different data tables. Desktop publishing soft packages, in which there the software are there, which by with the help of which we can do the we can watch the various multimedia things. That are the software which comes under desktop publishing packages. Now you have the fill in the blanks. In your book, I am going to give you the answers for them. Software is of two type: system software and application software. All these things we have studied in details. So the first answer is system and application. You have to do this fill in the blanks in your notebook, and you can put the heading revision, and that you can do this fill in the blanks. Software is of two types: system software and application software. Second is, dash system controls the overall activity of a computer. The answer is operating. The operating system are the software that controls the overall activity of a computer, and operating system is also responsible for controlling all the hardware. Examples are like Windows 7 and Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest operating system. It controls the overall activity of a computer. The third fill in the blanks is an operating system manages all input and output devices. That means the hardware. All the input devices like keyboard, mouse, all these are operating has been managed by the all the devices managed by the operating system. The term software was first used by John W. Takei. So then the fourth one is the software first used the term is used by the John W. Takei. Fifth one is the presentation software is used to present an idea or a concept. Presentation software or the software comes under the desktop publishing software, and the example of presentation software is MS PowerPoint, which you have studied in class 6. Then PowerPoint, like this is the slide which you are seeing. This is also a PowerPoint presentation in which we can see the idea or the concept. That means the we can see the data. Now I will show you where you can check the operating system and the application software in your computer system. First of all, we will close this software, that is application. This is the PowerPoint. These are the slide by which we can see the idea and the concept which I have told you. These are the slides which you are watching. So this software, presentation software, come under desktop publishing software. First we will close this. You can see here a start button. When you click on the start button, you can see the computer. You will do the right click on computer and you will go on properties. By the help of the properties and computer, you can see your operating system, that is your system software. Here I am using a Windows 7. You can see there at the top, Windows Edition, Windows 7. This is the logo of the Windows. This is the system software, and it manages all the hardwares and the different software. And upon this system software, we works on application software. So applications, so you can check all the application software by clicking on the start button and then all programs. In all programs you can see the different software, that is the application software. Application software are those software upon which we work. Suppose if we want to run an internet, we can open the Firefox or the Google Chrome. If you want to make a DVD, we have the DVD maker. And if you want to play a game is also the example of application software. And then we have a Microsoft Office. This is the package, so this is the example of package software in application. In when there is a combination of different software in a single suite, that is the example of package software. In this MS Office package, you can see the MS Access for database management, and MS Excel also is there for the database management, and you can see the MS Word for the Word package, and MS PowerPoint for making the PowerPoint. These all are the example of application software. These application software works upon the operating system, that is Windows 7. This Windows 7 is working as a system software. uh, System software is responsible for the hardware and providing of the GUI. This graphic which we are seeing, we can see all these things by the help of operating system. It is providing us the graphic interface to work upon. As we can see the functioning of the operating system, there are the different functioning of the operating system. As we are making a file or we are controlling each and everything in from the help of control panel. From this we can control all over the system, which we have studied in second chapter, that is our Windows 7. We have studied this in detail in chapter second. So this is all for your revision of chapter 1. Thank you.